In this Wi-Fi Clickz review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that it's two-click copy and paste to make $27.43 a minute. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Wi-Fi Clickz, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we get started here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of special bonuses here that you're going to get if you purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, approve the easiest money-making system we're using in 2022. 100% done for you. 3-click free traffic system. Pays us $27.43 a minute. Push button easy with free traffic built in. No budget required, no experience, no tech. We've made $17,000 in profit in the last 30 days. So really hypey here. $27.43 a minute. Hypey as well. But I believe what they're referring to here is this is about affiliate marketing. This is a done-for-you affiliate marketing software. It creates your squeeze pages for you and all your different pages to promote it. And that's what they're getting into here. A lot of times, Glenn's products are over-the-top hypey, but they do have some functional use if we take a look at what the actual softwares do. But they're very, very hypey. If you look down here, at this, he shows some income that he made. I have no doubt that he made that kind of money. He's made a lot of money online. He does very well for himself. He does have some other screenshots here of money that he made. I don't doubt that. I don't doubt that he's making any of this money. It's money that he made. Now, he says he has beta testers here. These people, it looks like it's just random shots of people, 12 newbies. I don't know. I don't really believe those kind of things here. Now, these people, did they really make this kind of money? I'd have to ask them personally in order to verify that. So don't just buy this because you think that these people made money with it. We always need to be skeptical when it comes to these. And we shouldn't buy these products just because other people made money with them or whatever. We should buy them because there's like a tool inside that can actually help us with our business. And they say step one, you activate it. Step two, you sit back and watch a raging river of free traffic. And then you get paid $27.43 a minute. That's not going to happen. They're not going to start making money like fast. It's not going to happen like that. There's no magic push button system, but I will show you what this actually is here. So if we go down here a little bit more and we look at all this sales page stuff that's unnecessary. Why do you have these sales pages so long? Does anyone read these? I don't think anyone reads them. Okay, so if you purchase, you get access to the software, the tutorials. They've got mobile editions. There's built-in free traffic. I'll show you how that works as well here. And here's one thing I'm going to show you. When you come to the sales page, this is what I want you to do. If you are considering purchasing this, move your mouse away, do all this, and you get a discount, just like this. So if you refresh it, you move your mouse away, a discount code pops up. You can get looks like a $5 discount. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to get the lowest price. Hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the OTOs and the discounts.
Check this out. On the screen in front of you is a huge payment I just received of over $10,000. That's money I generated online, which is sitting inside my PayPal account that I'm now about to withdraw straight into my bank account. But how did I make that money? Well, all I had to do was simply copy and paste a secret link that this brand new software created for me, and I was able to generate payments of $27.43 over and over again. I didn't need to do anything complicated or technical, and I certainly didn't need to spend a dime to make this money. All I needed was a smartphone, a tablet, or computer with an internet connection to start earning. So if you're sick and tired of not getting the results you deserve online, then listen up, because we have the ultimate traffic and commission solution that's going to enable you to do exactly what we're doing to generate these daily payments of $27.43 per minute. Until now, this ultimate traffic and commission solution has been kept underground. But thanks to the success of this brand new system, we finally decided to reveal it to the world, and we've developed a brand new cutting-edge technology software for 2022 that lets you clone exactly what we're doing to get free buyer traffic by tapping into this super secret underground Wi-Fi traffic loophole. where all we're doing is simply copying and pasting a few simple links. Hey, even if you're a newbie with no tech skills and no previous experience, this will work for you. What we have for you here today has never been done before. It's 100% new, unique, and fresh, and I'd love to introduce you to Wi-Fi Clickz. Beginners and newbies all over the world are loving Wi-Fi Clickz. It's the most powerful software that my team and I have ever created that's enabled us to get paid at least $27.43 per minute thanks to the power of this incredible Wi-Fi buyer traffic loophole. Hey, if you can follow these 3 super simple steps, then you'll be generating free buyer traffic and unlimited clicks to your affiliate links, so you can finally break free from the daily struggles and live the life that you've always dreamed of. Step 1, purchase. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2, copy and paste. Log into the app, activate the Wi-Fi ClickPay technology, and copy and paste your link. Step 3, enjoy! Sit back, relax, and enjoy the unlimited free buyer traffic that the software brings to your secret link 24/7. That's it! It's just as easy as turning on a light switch. So if you're worried this is something too complicated or technical for you, you can set those worries aside because all of that technical nonsense and hard work is done for you by the app. What's so great about the Wi-Fi Clickz traffic system is that it gets you free buyer traffic from a multi-billion-dollar traffic source. And for the record, this has nothing to do with any hard work, anything difficult, creating products, creating videos, getting on camera, spamming social media, or anything else that you can think of. This software and method has allowed us to legally siphon $27.43 payments and redirect them straight into our accounts. And all we needed was a smartphone, tablet, or computer with an internet connection. Whether we're using Wi-Fi or cell phone data, all we're doing is simply copying and pasting one secret link to make this happen. Oh, this is the laziest income solution that we've discovered and barely takes a few minutes per day to see great results. But the best part about Wi-Fi Clickz? There are no monthly costs. And to top it off, you're also getting free buyer traffic built in. Wi-Fi Clickz is a dream come true for anyone who's trying to succeed online. The included over-the-shoulder training will get you up and running fast while showing you how to get the best possible results. Below, you'll see actual results from beta testers, including complete beginners, already crushing it with Wi-Fi Clickz. This is your chance to make a real change in your business in 2022. Wi-Fi Clickz is the shortcut you need to crush it online. So you're probably wondering, how much is this going to cost? Now, while we do plan on charging at least $197 a month for this in the near future, you won't pay anywhere close to that today. When you act now, it's just a tiny one-time investment. You'll also get multiple custom bonuses to maximize your results. Bonuses that you won't find anywhere else because no one else has them. These include even more free traffic apps and courses designed to help you succeed. And because your success is really the only thing that matters, you're covered by our pro US-based support team to swiftly answer any question you may have once inside. And to make your decision a complete no-brainer, your tiny investment is protected by our industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee. And if it doesn't work for you, that's our fault, not yours. And not only will we refund 100% of your purchase, I personally throw in some free private one-on-one coaching to help you succeed online. Yep, that's how confident I am that this will work out for you. Use the app to generate free traffic for up to 6 months completely risk-free. There's only one catch. To get everything at this insanely low one-time cost, you need to act right now to take advantage of this launch deal. So if you're ready to crush it online by copy and pasting a few links from your smartphone or tablet, then click below to lock in your discount immediately. Hurry, click the Add to Cart button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you inside the members area.
Okay, so we're back. This is the backend area. Essentially what this has, it has campaigns built inside of it so that you can create your pages with it. You can create your, you got your squeeze pages it creates for you, affiliate pages, download pages. It has embed pages. You can put them on your own page if you want to. It's up to you how you want to actually do these. And it creates these pages for you. So it's simple squeeze pages that it will create for you. If we go back here and look at the affiliate page URL, You can put these little things over the top of it, these little embeds, put your
In
links
this
in
quick
it,
video, I'm
and be
going to
able to promote these different products using their done for you pages here. And they're going to get you approval for these different offers so that you can promote them and hopefully make money with them. Now, they do have some social, looks like a social traffic thing built into it. This is just a way of getting some extra traffic. It's not going to give you like a ton of traffic, but it's a way of doing it. And they do give you free traffic. A way that Glenn does it is he does provide free traffic. Now, I don't know how great the traffic is. He gives you some traffic apps, and they will add you to a pool of traffic. So you can claim that as well if you purchase this product. Now, there are multiple OTOs. So the first one here is done for you traffic, and it says unlimited commission. So this is done for you. Move your mouse away, and you can bring that price down from 197 to 97. Again, hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Next one here is, it looks like done, maybe that's the same one. Is that the same page? Looks like it. Next one here is unlimited traffic. Move your mouse away and you can bring the price down to 67. Next one is you can put it on autopilot. Move your mouse away and bring the price down to 37. Next one here is it looks like they do the work for you. And if you move your mouse away, you should be able to get a discount. Here we go. There's another one here, $37 for a bunch of their products here for 47 cents each. Next one is you can sell Wi-Fi Clickz and keep all the money, move your mouse away, bring the price down to 67. Next one here is you can clone their business. So I'm not sure what that is, but you can bring the price down to 19. Here's another way it looks like making money, bring the price down to 19. And the last one here is, it looks like a coaching program. You can bring the price down to 37. All these OTOs are optional. There's a lot of them. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Wi-Fi Clickz and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, you guys know it's really hypey. There's lots of proof on the page that I know Glenn makes that kind of money, but don't expect just because you get the software, you're going to automatically start making $27.43 a minute. It's just not going to happen. So just know that this is a software that builds like bonus stuff, like bonus pages, not a product that is going to make you money overnight. What do I like about this? If you're looking for a way of doing affiliate marketing and having all these different pages and overlays and stuff done for you, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Wi-Fi Clickz, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video.